Hello everyone, today we will learn how to calculate the value of the trigonometric ratios if the value for one trigonometric ratio is given to you. So first of all, I'll make a right angle triangle where the side which is in front of a 90-degree angle is called as H, which is hypotenuse. This side is called as adjacent and this side is called as opposite. Now, we will talk about the trigonometric ratios. So, sine theta is equals to over h, cos theta is equals to a over h, and tan theta is equals to O over a. Now, in this question, we need to find out the value for tan theta. Now, since the value for cos theta is already given, that means they have already given us the value of adjacent and they already have given the value of hypotenuse. Tan theta is equals to opposite over adjacent, where the value of adjacent is already given, but the value of opposite is not given. So in this case, we have to calculate the value of opposite by using the Pythagoras theorem, which says h square is equals to o square plus a square. So the value of h is already equals to 5. The value for a is 4. We will put it in the formula. 5 square is equals to o square plus 4 square. This will be 25 is equals to o square plus 16. O square will be equals to 25 minus 16. That means O square is equals to 9 and the value of O will be equals to square root of 9, which is equals to 3. Now what it means, the value for tan theta is equals to O over A, where the value of O is 3 and the value of A is 4. So the final answer for this is 3 over 4. Let's understand this with one more example. Cot theta is already given. So cot theta is equals to A over O. So we will write down here A over O and we have to find out the value of sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. To find out the value of sine theta, we need the value of h. So here we will use the Pythagoras theorem. H square is equals to O square plus A square. So the value of O is given equals to 21 and the value of A is equals to 20. So we write down here H square is equals to 21 square plus 20 square. 21 square is equals to 441. 20 square is equals to 400. Now, h square is equals to 841 and h will be equals to square root of 841, which is equals to 29. So if I have to find out what is the value for sine theta, it would be equals to O over h, where the value of O is already given, which is 21, and the value of h we already calculated, which is equals to 29. Similarly, cos theta is equals to A over h. So the value of A is 20 and the value of h is 29. And the value of tan theta is equals to O over A. So the value of O is 21 and the value of A is 20. So this is how we can calculate the value of the trigonometric ratios if the value of one trigonometric ratio is given to us.